Hello friends, welcome to my channel Power of AEM. In this video, we will learn about how you can create offers in Context Hub. As we know, offers are a certain experience that we want to assign with a set of audiences. So let's see how you can create offers in Context Hub. This is your home screen of AEM. You need to select personalization card. Inside that, you can find offers. Once you go inside the offer, you will see all the enabled configurations. We enabled our configuration for vRetail as we discussed in the previous video. You need to click on the vRetail and here you can see all the available offers. You can create your own custom offers as well, or if you want to edit any existing one, you just need to select that and or you need to just go inside that and select that and go for the edit option. So this is how you can enable or edit the existing one. As you can see, it is talking about how many different places we are using this offer and how that is available, like what is the content. So it is talking about all the references and what content we want to show to a set of users or might be the audiences. Now let's talk about how you can create your own offer. So in that way, you need to click on the create button, which is on the top right. Once you click on the top button, it will ask you or or it will show you options, multiple options. You need to click or select the option create offer. Once you go there in the offer, it will give you two different templates. One is for the folder, another one is for the offer. So you need to select one of the offer or one of the template related to the offer. As you can see, it is showing me the folder and offer. So you need to select the offer page. This is one of the template in the wizard. And after that, you need to provide the information, what will be your offer name. And once it generally it takes time. Mm, So you need to select the offer page and then click on the next button, which is on the top right. And after that, it will ask you a very basic details like what will be the name of your offer. Once you click on that, your offer will be created. Let me quickly create that. It's done. So I can see a test personalization. It's here. And let's edit it. Once I click on the edit, it will show me a paragraph system or uh, the the placeholder where I can drop my component. Again, it depends on us. If you are customizing it, you can add multiple components based on your need. However, currently two components are enabled. That is out of the box. You can select any of the component. For example, if you are talking about image or text image, so you can select the uh, component accordingly and do the modifications. So I can see here, text image here. Let's update that. So it's talking about component style and image properties. If I want to just drag some of the images and provide the title, tasks, content, link to, description is just personalization. Uh, okay, let me set its height and width. I'm done with this. Component style, no style currently available. And link to, you can map with a particular page if you want to. Just select that. So this is how it is enabled for me. And let's update the text as well. Personalization content for demo. Done. So this is how I added my uh, offer for testing purpose. This offer I can line up when I'm designing my activity. So this will be one of the experience to my target audiences. I hope this video will be helpful to understand how you can create the offer on Context Hub. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my channel.